I got that fever, they like it, I know this, I'm psychic. When I'm out in public, they all on my private. Low-key, I'm broke, low-key, I'm cold, low-key, I'm platinum. If these records ever get sold, records ever get sold, records ever get sold. Low-key, I'm Chamberlain, these records never get old. That %, 500 for rent. When I'm paid, I'll forget what that 500 meant. Fever, I got it bad. Get a little bit of that swag, bit of that sag, bit of that got you mad. Get a little hit of that, spit a little bit of gas, bit of that flame. Give her that player, spit of that game. Tell that chick to get rid of that lame. Ask that chick what she think, and I'm that guy. Where you been? I'ma leave my boys with your friends. Yeah, that's fine. Used to ask, now I say what's on my mind. Like, come over, girl. I've been known to get faded off of wine. She said, let me feel your head. That's a fever every time.
Man down, I'm throwed up. Nobody put their hands down. It's a hold up. I'm hella hot. Yeah, can't come close to a kid like me. Yeah, but you could get from bro, get high feet. Yeah, high. Yeah, high. Yeah, high. Yeah, high. Yeah, high. Yeah, high. It just might be that fever.
I messed up, they newly faded, fresh cut. My team, the on deck. Circle, man, we next up. Midwest, I get it. Detroit, am I fitted? Midwest, that's my shit. Nobody messing with it. Two of them make one of me. CEO of my company. REFS, rich early, fuck stress. Real shit, don't ask. Chose, don't approach with no ass. Whoa, not normally like this, but that fever make me an asshole. Oh, my damn though, they love me all on that channel. Got the rap game on that other shit. I'm milking it with no cattle. Keep that flame on with no candle. Ride the beat with no handle. She wanna ride with no saddle. She said hit it boy with no paddle. Dang, I'm doing something right. I ain't changing a thing. Moved out of that neighborhood, but I ain't changing the name. Specto till I die. Spec chose, they fly. Get you over them next chose. Got next chose on my mind.
Man down, I'm throwed up. Nobody put their hands down. It's a hold up. I'm hella hot. Yeah, can't come close to a kid like me. Yeah, but you could get from bro, get high feet. Yeah, high. Yeah, high. Yeah, high. Yeah, high. Yeah, high. Yeah, high. It just might be that fever.
Friendly SATCOM active. Time's almost up.
As a kid, I had dreams of getting big. I didn't understand then, but I'm getting it. I was fitting in, working on standing out. Now when I'm on stage, they pull their cameras out. I know it feels like the beginning of you. I've been laying the groundwork a minute or two. Much as I do it for me, I do it for you. I do it for success, what a beautiful view. I can't lie, true to my crew, they been there through it all. They were there on the bench, they'll be there when I ball. I'm a man of my word, got my hand on my heart. Nervous as hell, but I got everyone playing their part and it'll pay off. Winning just in time for the playoffs. Sick as hell, but I never take a day off. Say off to the races and I'm gone. It's a different level, it's a pedestal that I'm on. Something that I asked for, no complaints round here. Top gear, ain't no second place round here. Take a look at the kid, listen to what I'm saying. This shit is from the heart and when I'm talking I ain't playing. I'ma go and get it, pick it up and bring it to my city. Go and get it, pick it up and bring it to my city. I'ma go and get it, pick it up and bring it to my city. Go and get it, pick it up and bring it to my city. I'ma go and get it, go and get it, go and get it, pick it up and bring it to my city. I'ma go and get it, go and get it, go and get it, pick it up and bring it to my city. Me and the team, weight of the world, hugging the chose. They dating my girl, trying to make it for the nights that we stayed up working, planning. Only option, make it happen. Could've bought clothes, instead bought a studio.